How you doing? My name's Steve Dipolina with Floor Coverings International here in Hillsborough, New Jersey, specializing in residential floor coverings, all hardwood, carpet, luxury vinyl, tile, laminate, sand and finish work, repair work. We're local business here in the area. From design to install, I come to your home with my mobile showroom, 3,000 flooring options inside of that showroom to find the flooring that's right for you and your home. And the reason I chose the Hillsborough Business Center here is it's just a perfect location for me, right off 206, great space, nice little office, warehouse space that fits my needs. Perfect location for me. A lot of good businesses surrounding me as well, so it's nice to have a nice network of businesses that I can work with as well. So I'm really looking forward to doing business here in this market, and looking forward to doing consultations in all of your homes.